You ready?
Bible coming so the wants to sing on.
Can you say Genesis? Exodus? Leviticus? Numbers? Deuteronomy? Joshua? Judges? Ruth? First and Second Kings? First and Second Samuel? First and Second Chronicles? Ezra? Nehemiah? Esther? Job? Psalms? Proverbs? Ecclesiastes? Hold on. Song of Solomon? Isaiah? Hey, can you say Isaiah? Jeremiah? Hold on. Jeremiah? Say Jeremiah. Can you say Jeremiah? Lamentations? Ezekiel? Daniel? Hosea? Say Hosea. Joel? Amos? Obadiah? Say, we did our homework, Grandma.
Go home, Grandma.
We love you.